latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Amrita. I'm going to be talking about the hot topic at this point of time, that is the economic package and what it means especially for the middle class citizens of India. The middle class citizens of India have often at a time felt that they have been left out of the government measures announced. But this time around, in the Modi's 20 lakh crore economic stimulus package, there is some of the other sort of relief which has been announced by the government even for the middle class citizen. Now, this particular measure of the PF contribution by the government side is the most part where it will impact the middle class citizen. Now, for those employees earning just 15,000 per month and employed in industrial units of not more than 100 people can avail this government contribution towards their EPF account now, which means that no more from their salary the EPF amount will be deducted, and it will mean availability of larger cash in hand with the employees themselves. But at the same time, the government will be taking care of their EPF amount being credited to their accounts. And this particular announcement came initially during the COVID-19 crisis, and it will here on be extended for 3 months as well. Initially, it was supposed to end this month, but it will be now extended for 3 more months. That is the first such contribution given by the government. The other set is those employed in the private sector. Over here, the government has slashed the EPF contribution from 12% to 10%, which will again mean more cash in hand availability for the employees and will also give some sort of relief for the employers themselves. This may have its own long-term effects, but immediately speaking, it will give some sort of more cash availability in the hands of the employees. Another such relief for the middle class citizens comes in the form of the housing sector and those who have invested in this housing sector. Now, the earlier implemented credit-linked subsidy plan will be continued and extended for March next year as well. Earlier, it was implemented in March 2017, which was supposed to end in March 2020. But this subsidy plan has been now extended till March 2021. It means that the two income groups which come under this particular plan, which is the income group of 6 lakh per annum, those earning between 6 lakh per annum to 12 lakh per annum, can avail up to 4% of interest rate subsidy on a loan not more than 9 lakh rupees. Now, this particular income group that we are talking about also implies that the entire family's income is considered in this, which means the wife, the husband, the children who are not married. Now, the other income group in this particular aspect which will be benefited will be from 12 lakh rupees per annum to 18 lakh rupees per annum, who can avail the benefits of 3% interest subsidy plan in this particular housing sector. This will also give a boost to the real estate sector, and it will boost more purchases in this manner. This is another such relief which has been given out by the government of India in the economic stimulus package. Finally, the most stressed upon factor in the economic package and all of the announcements so far during the COVID-19 crisis has been upon the MSME sector. Why is this MSME sector important? It is because it is the second largest sector after only agriculture, which employs most of the people in India. Focus in the MSME sector will mean for the Indian citizens and the middle class citizens at large more job creations at hand, and it will come as more of a relief in the gloom of unemployment which stares at us right now in the recession period of COVID-19. So over here, the government has given out 3 lakh crore credit guarantee for the MSME sectors, which means that the MSME businesses can now avail loans from the banks, and the banks will also be encouraged to give out loans and not fear about the state of the economy right now, because all of these loans will be guaranteed by the government, which means that even if some of the loans go bad in any near future, the banks will be guaranteed by the government. It will have the support of the government. and this way the banks are being coaxed into giving out more loans. You can let us know in the comments down below what you think of the economic package which has been announced by the Modi government. What more could have been added to it as well? You can like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital for more such content. Thank you.